What's up? What's up? What's up, crazies? Hey friends, welcome to a new vlog. I'm excited because today is my birthday. Giving birthday. In the previous clips, I went to the store because today's my birthday, but tomorrow is my anniversary and Friday is Valentine's Day. See that little 3P holiday I have to work with? So for tomorrow, I want to bake my partner, my boyfriend, chocolate chip cookies. And then today for dinner, I'm going to try a new recipe from TikTok, Cuban chicken. I'll probably post the video. So I want to bake cookies. I want to prep the food for dinner. I have to do some orders. I don't have that many due today. I also want to do a giveaway, so I want to take pictures for that. And I want to do a new like colorway collection set of my little magic bears. This is like a sample. I don't really like this color, but I want to do like a lovey-dovey pinks and hearts. So yeah, I want to design more of these and take pictures if the weather is working for me. It's very gloomy, but yeah, that's what I have planned today. I'll be back. I realized I was looking down in the previous clips and I wanted to show you guys how I've been planning. I have not touched my journal in months, but I've been using this Scribbles That Matter, what is this called? Productive Weeks. This is what I've been using for the last couple weeks. It's very simple, it's very basic. I think I use stickers. Yeah, this week I use stickers from that sticker sheet that I showed you guys. And I've been keeping it real chill. This was the week before, so I'm on my third week using this. It's very effective. Okay, I'll be back. Save these swatch colors with the eyedropper tool. So I love this one. This one's really cute for bday vday. So let's try her like light pink with medium pink. Ooh, that's cute. So that'll be one. I think I'm gonna do 8 new ones. So that'll be one. Let's do 2 of these. And then maybe this colorway could be oh, I like that. Maybe lighter pink, maybe like the opposite. I don't care for that so much. Or like mid-tone. No, I don't like that either. Let's do darker. Ooh, I like darker. Those are cute. Okay, so we'll do those 2. Okay, so I got these bears done. They're so cute. Let me show you them. Look so cute. Stop. So cute. I'll just do them all together. They're so cute. Look at them. Okay, so here's all of them. Hopefully it'll focus. We have the Lovey. We have the Crybaby. Half and half. Half and half with black. So cute. Another Lovey one. Ooh, so cute. The Cuddly. Which one's this? Oh, another Cuddles with the cheeks. Stop with the cheeks and the drips. Okay, I'm gonna put my favorite two. My favorite two are, I love this one. I just like pink and black. And I also enjoy this crybaby. The crybaby is so cute with those pink tears. So cute. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so I'm gonna make the cookies now. They are brown butter chocolate chip cookies. So I'm gonna brown the butter and then let it cool and then go from there. Time to try the Cuban chicken. So, it's a new day. Today I'm going to bake those cookies. The dough has been chilling in the fridge, so I'm excited to do that. I want to make them in little heart shapes, but I don't have a heart cookie cutter, so we'll see how that goes. I do want to take pictures of these. Those will be up tomorrow. And yeah, I gotta do orders. Okay, I'll be back. I feel like this one looks pretty good. That one doesn't look bad. These are the ones I need to fix. Okay, so this is what I'm working with now. I made this I love you sticker. It's a little janky. It's not perfect, but it's from the heart. And look at the cookies. They look so good. So I'm gonna put the cookies in the box. So this is how they look in the box. So cute. And then the top, I love you. It's not perfect, but it's the thought that counts. Okay, so I'm live in action. I'm taking pictures of the new bears. There's not much light. I'll flip the camera around. This is like the best lighting that I'm gonna get, but I'm taking pictures of these. I'll show you my setup. So this is my little marble background, like a tile that I use. And then I put all the stickers here. They look so cute. Love them. This is a cute picture. I have to make sure I get all the little dusties off. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna do that right now and then I'll be back. So as I was taking pictures, I had this idea. I have my moon wall light over there and I was like, oh, these would look really cute with my moonlight. So I actually changed up the whole picture. I think they came out pretty cute. Because then the little moon will be in the background. So I'm gonna edit these photos so I can have them for the listing tomorrow. I think my favorite one, like these right here, like this one as the main photo, that's really cute. I kind of like how the computer's like, I'm like peeking through the computer. I took pictures of the bears. I also took pictures for my giveaway. So I think now I'm gonna go to the gym. Then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna edit those photos and make the graphics for tomorrow's post. And yeah. Okay, I'm back. So I'm back from the gym and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you watch this far, comment a bear emoji. Comment bear emoji. And don't forget that if you are interested in these will be in the shop tomorrow on Valentine's Day. You get 2 per pack. Let's see which ones I choose right now. This could be you. This could be your pack. 1. So cute. And 2. So adorable. These will be up tomorrow. Thank you for watching if you got this far. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy February. Happy Black History Month. Happy.